we said diameter equals 2r. We can write this here to remind ourselves. D equals 2r. Well, D would equal, let's keep our working nicely, the arrows under each other. In the first example, 2 times 8, write the centimeters so that you don't forget it at the end. And then that means that D diameter will equal 2 times 8, which we know is 16 centimeters. So that's what you should have gotten for the first one, 16 centimeters. For the second one, the working would be similar. We're going to do what? We're going to always write a formula. That's good because that helps us to remember it. D equals 2r, which means that D will equal 2 times 12 centimeters, which means that D will equal 24 centimeters, isn't it? And I'm sure you got that, so let's write that in here, 24 centimeters. Check yours and see if you got that same. For the last one, let's come over to this side. D still equals 2r, never changes. That's a universal law that will never change. So we can say that D equals 2 times 4.5 centimeters. Well, what is 2 times 4.5? D will equal, well, I always advise you, if you can do it in your head, good, and if you're confident, good. But if not, you can always come and work it out doing your multiplication. You can just come to the side, 4.5 times 2. Well, 5 times 2 is 10, you write a 0, carry a 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 gives us 9. How many numbers after the decimal point? Just the 1. So we just put our point in here. And so the answer will be 9.0 centimeters. And we can write that in our table. I'm sure the first two everybody got. The last one, if you found it tricky, it means you need to do more practice on decimals. Make sure you come and see the teacher so that we can give you some more work on that. So mark yourself out of 3 marks. Normally we would give you some marks for the working, but for today we just want the answers quite straightforward. Mark yourself out of 3 and let's move on to the next.